How's it going? Chuck, Sound Survival Tactics. This is a full body workout at home without equipment for beginners. It consists of 9 exercises. I'll run down the list of exercises first, and then I have a follow along video for you. This is another workout that I got from Pinterest. I have a previous video of an abs workout that I did. You can go and check that out up above if you like. So the list of exercises, you're going to start off by doing 30 jumping jacks, followed by 20 squats, then 10 push-ups, 30 mountain climbers, 10 plank jump-ins, which is basically a half burpee, 30 high knees, 10 knee pull-ins, 20 cross crunches, and then 10 leg raises. Along with these exercises, it says that for the beginner level, you want to do 3 sets of these exercises with no longer than a 2-minute rest in between. I did find it challenging when it got to the middle part of the routine, doing the mountain climbers and the half burpees. So run through the routine one time, see how you feel, and then crank out as many as you feel comfortable with. Just to give you a heads up, there's a little guest appearance by my little one in the video. If you like these fitness type videos, comment yes in the comments below. Give it a like, thumbs up. And even if you do not like these fitness type videos, you can still comment no in the comments below and give it a thumbs down. Just helps me with content for this channel. So without any further talking, let's get into the exercises. I'll see you at the end. All right, welcome back. Did you follow along? What'd you think? Let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Go ahead and share it out. If you'd like to see future videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Just go ahead and click on that subscribe button and you'll get notified of future videos as they come out. Until next time, take care and we'll see you soon.